Some dogs are following a far stinkier trail. Cold, hard cash. Cash stinks, not just like capitalism, but like ink, mold, sweat, and cocaine. A lot of cocaine. These dogs can find suitcases stuffed with notes wrapped in dryer sheets, buried in car tires, or shoved inside frozen chickens. One dog in the US discovered $3 million in undeclared cash being smuggled inside shampoo bottles, and now Japan's getting in on the game. At Narita Airport, custom agents just unveiled their first ever banknote detection dogs. 2 black Labradors who are trained to sit quietly whenever they sniff out a suspicious suitcase. And no, they don't need probable cause, they just need their nostrils. The operation's goal? Stop people from smuggling massive amounts of yen out of the country for money laundering. According to customs officials, criminals have been tucking cash into carry-ons like their socks and toothpaste. Sometimes over 100 million yen, which is like 650,000 US dollars. They shove it all in there in one go, but these dogs aren't fooled. At the launch event, they sniffed out decoys posing as travelers and immediately sat down in front of the guilty suitcases, tags wagging, basically saying, "Excuse me, officer, this Samsonite smells like fraud."